Okay, I have just heard all this noise out here. I was in watching TV and I've just come out here to have a look at what's going on in the bathroom. Look at this. Feathers. Absolutely everywhere. Look. Feathers down here. Feathers over here. Feathers over there. Feathers everywhere. And a dead bird. How wonderful. Gee, Oscar, where did that come from? And what is that hanging off your lip? You murderous little bastard. I'm going to have to be very cruel now and take this bird off him. God, he's made a mess of it. Oh my God, I'm going to have to take it off him. Anyway, there we go, Ruthie. This is what happens when you're not here. Oh look, here he is. Yeah, kill it again. Oh shit.